Welcome, everyone is a TCL 20SE, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this process we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. This comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And all you need to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So right where the pin is holding right now. So push it in, the tray will pop out, and from here you can just yank it out and you will have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use two SIM cards, all you need to do is place that one SIM on the tray for the SD card like this. But if you're using one of each, then just move it over and this will now free up the space for your SD card, like so. Now make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and once they are, carefully insert it back into the device. There's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of like bounce off of the tray, so just hold them securely. And once you insert it, they should automatically start working, which obviously for me SIM card is already working. It's requiring the pin. So once I confirm that, there we go, that's the SIM. And let's look for my SD card if it's also working. No, I just saw the pop-up, so there it is, SD card is working as well. And that is how you insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.